my goodness. Yeah. Oh boy, look at all this stuff we got. Come on, Massacre. Oh, where are my scissors? All right. We got Pet Mate Fat Cat Fluffy Feathers Catnip Toy. All right. You're just gonna sit in the box. Guys are starting to learn it's fun for boxes to come, huh? All right, here, oh, there's a disturbing cat, or mouse face for the cats to eat. There you go. Oh, did you find your favorite already? Chainsaw? Massacre, you're in the way. Oh, okay, the Fat Cat Fluffy Feathers Catnip Toy is a big hit. A hit right onto the floor. Here's another chainsaw. All right, what was this you were pulling out? Here, Massacre. Scoot. Cat is Good brand catnip toy. This is adorable. Oh my gosh. There you go. You guys can play with this adorable cat face. Ooh. A lizard. This is perfect. They would like to eat my lizards. And they're not allowed, so they get their own. Savvy Tabby Leopard Lizard. Oh, it's a little leopard gecko. And it's purple. This is perfect. Here you guys go. Alright. Car decal. That's for me. You guys don't get things stuck on you. Alright. A Skedaddles. Zany's Skedaddle pull cord toy. This may be very interesting or it may be terrifying to chainsaw. Let's find out. It's like a little... Yep, it's terrifying. She's gonna investigate though. It's not too bad. Oh, she's gonna lick it. That's very nice of her. Oh, there you go. Let's see, we gotta move this back. A Soothe Purr pillow. Press hand to activate toy. It's purple. Got a lot of purple and pink things this time. And Massacre's licking the table. What do we got here with this guy? Press head to activate. Oh my gosh. What do you think of that? Oh, Chainsaw's coming over. She's like, whoa, dude. What do you think, Chainsaw? That's pretty cool for me, even if you guys don't like it. Alright, greenies. They loved their turkey jerky and their Pure Life chicken treats from the last one. I didn't give them the microwavable ones since they have grain. And these have grain. So I might give these to my sister, because her cats aren't on a grain feed diet. And she has 4 cats. Alright, Massacre thinks these ones look like a good idea. Just 1 ingredient, freeze-dried fresh pure beef. I bet these will be a hit. Massacre does like the catnip treats, but... Okay, scoot. Aha! Yeah. Chainsaw sniffing the beefs. Alright. You guys want to try some beef cube? They're like... They look like... oh my goodness. they look like... Oh, here, Massacre. I'll give you your own. Uh-oh. This is dangerous. I'm just trying to break it into a piece you can eat. They look like, no, you can't have that whole thing. He's like, yes, I can. Okay. Bloodworm cubes for cats. Wow. Chainsaw took hers down to the floor. I'm gonna have to watch him and make sure he doesn't choke. There, he got a piece off. Okay, well, those are a hit. Jeez, Massacre, you're such a glutton. Alright, and under here, their new scratcher. Always a hit.